Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. The topic today we discuss is the structure of a leaf. As you know that leaves of different plants have different shapes. A leaf has a flat surface called the leaf blade. Like mango, a single and undivided blade. So there are the many types, shapes and structure and functions in this video we have discussed. Types of leaves. Leaves are important parts of plants. Second point, they help plants make food. Leaves comes in many shapes and sizes. Last but not least, different leaves have different functions. So the learning objectives, the topic of the leaves are the what leaves do for plants, types of leaves, shapes and arrangements of leaves, importance of leaves in nature. Introductions of leaf. As we discussed before, that leaves has a flat surface called leaf blade. The thin tube-like structure is present in the middle of the leaf called midrib. There are many thin lines on the leaf called veins. Okay, here is that the point that what is photosynthesis? Again and again we have said that leaves make food for the plants. Leaves are the green in color due to the presence of green color called chlorophyll, substance called chlorophyll. Okay, and the main equation of the photosynthesis is that water, carbon dioxide, starch, food plus oxygen. Main functions make number one, make photosynthesis. Number two, release water vapor, means transpiration, exchange gases, respiration, store food and water in some plants. Parts of leaf. In this, you can see that leaf blade, lamina. Here is the lamina. Midrib, this one. Veins, small like this one. And this is the petiole. Leaf stalk. Simple leaves. Simple leaves, for example, like mango, guava, are the example of the simple leaves. And one undivided leaf blade, easy to identify, for example, mango and guava. Difference between simple and compound leaves. Remember that simple means one blade and compound mean many leaflets. Here is a quiz time for you. What is photosynthesis? Name a simple leaf, name a compound leaf. Summary: leaves make food, leaves have different shapes, leaves help plants survive. Every leaf has an important role. So any question you may discuss?